Hey, this plant is hot. This is a wonderful tropical shrub. We've grown it for a long time in its green form. We call it Firebush. Amelia patens is the Latin name. Firebush has been very popular, dark green foliage and these gorgeous orange tubular flowers all summer long. Lime Sizzler is the name of this cultivar. It's variegated, and it's variegated in two different ways. Notice some of the foliage has dark green splotches on a yellowish background, and some of the foliage is just pure chartreuse yellowish green. And you'll see both forms on each shrub. It looks beautiful, brilliant in the landscape. These really shine. If you want something that's really going to make a statement, this Lime Sizzler Firebush is a really great plant for you. Now, it is tropical, and so in North Louisiana, it's usually root hardy. That is, it'll freeze back in the wintertime, but as long as it stays in the low 20s and you keep it well mulched at the base, they usually come up from their grounds very well. In South Louisiana, they just about always survive the winters. These are also brilliant in containers as well. So this is a little late in the season to be buying tropicals, but if you see these and want to add them to your collection, you can plant them in the ground. There should be time for them to establish before winter, or you can put them in a container and then move them inside over the winter to protect them from cold. Lime Sizzler Firebush, a brilliant, wonderful shrub, blooms all summer, very attractive to hummingbirds. This is a great selection for Louisiana landscapes. Forget it growing. I'm Dan Gill with the LSU AgCenter.